Dörnthal Lake. Of all the lakes of the Freiberg Mines water management system, Dörnthal Lake has the highest dam wall with 18.20 meters. Dörnthal Lake is an important drinking water dam. The lake was created between 1842 and 1844 as a replacement for a glazier lake which had been built during the third golden age of Freiberg mining between 1787 and 1789. At that time, the water demand of the Freiberg mining industry increased so much that Elector Friedrich August III ordered the construction of Dörnthal Lake's predecessor in 1787. Development and reconstruction. The glazier lake was enlarged several times during its construction and after completion. The dam height had originally been planned at 6.80 meters, but had grown to around 11.60 meters by 1789. In order to counter the water shortage in Freiberg's mining district, new gullets, water-bearing galleries, were planned in the 1840s to transfer water from the Freiberg River. The existing lake could not hold that much water. Between 1842 and 1844, a new dam was built about 380 meters below the old dam site, thereby quintupling its volume. The glazier lake was completely dismantled and the materials used for the construction of Dörnthal Lake. Construction of the lake was carried out as emergency work, a job creation program for people of the Ore Mountains who were suffering from crop failures and general hardship. Up to 1,600 people found work on the construction site at any one time, divided into companies of 100 men. As a result, the lake was completed 2 years earlier than expected. Between 2021 and 2023, the dam was fully overhauled and modernized to meet the latest technical standards. Today's significance. Dörnthal Lake is important for the water supply on a supra-regional level. It is a vital compensating reservoir for transferring raw water from Rauschenbach Dam. The water is temporarily stored in Dörnthal Lake and then distributed either to supply water to the Freiberg, Freital, and Dresden regions or to the Seidenbach Dam. Swimming and water sports are not permitted at Dörnthal Lake. Since 2002, it has been part of a European nature reserve called Freiberg Mining Lakes for protected animal and plant species. The Dörnthal River Maintenance Facility has been located on lake premises since 2008. The historical lake house was expanded for this purpose and supplemented by additional buildings. The River Maintenance Office is also part of the Saxon State Reservoir Administration, which is responsible for maintaining the primary streams and rivers in the Freiberg region, including flood protection facilities. The Freiberg Mines Water Management System as a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The Freiberg Mines Water Management System is a water supply system that has evolved over several centuries. It consists of a widely ramified network of gullets, water-bearing galleries, and water channels, which are altogether about 70 kilometers long and connect 10 lakes. The system has its origins in Freiberg silver mining. In 1168, silver was discovered in the Freiberg area. Immediately, a silver rush began, bringing many miners to the previously almost unsettled ore mountains. Initially, the silver ore near the surface could be recovered without much effort. From the 15th century, however, the miners had to dig deeper and deeper to find mineral resources. In the process, they encountered groundwater. The pits were drained with the help of watermen. Later, pumps driven by water power were used for this purpose. Due to a lack of water, Freiberg's mining industry was threatened with extinction in the 16th century. By order of the Elector, the planned development of a water storage and supply system for Freiberg's mining and metallurgy began in 1558. After the 30 Years' War, the Electors' Gallery and Gullet administration was founded in 1684. As a central authority, it was to harmonize the water needs of the mining industry and the city population. Around 1900, however, Freiberg's silver mining became unprofitable due to the introduction of the gold mark as the official currency and imports from overseas. It was completely shut down by 1914. The Freiberg Mines water management system was given new tasks. From then on, it was operated for drinking and processed water supply, fish farming, and energy production. Today, the mines water management system supplies the regions of Freiberg, Chemnitz, and Dresden with drinking and processed water. It is part of the dam system Middle and Eastern Ore Mountains. UNESCO World Heritage. The Freiberg Mines water management system has been a listed site since 1980, and since 2019 it has been a UNESCO World Heritage Site as part of the Ore Mountains Kustnahari mining region. Mining brought about a unique cultural landscape in Saxony and Bohemia, which is still visible everywhere in the Ore Mountains. Many historic buildings are still in use today. The cross-border character of the World Heritage Sites is also unique. 17 of them are located in Saxony, Germany, 5 in Bohemia in the Czech Republic. Since 1975, UNESCO has protected and preserved unique cultural and natural assets of outstanding universal value as the heritage of all mankind. This goes back to the Hague Convention of 1954, which, for the first time, laid down standards for the preservation of cultural heritage.